Hi everyone, it's Phil from WritingBasics.com, and today we're going to look at the second major plot format, which is the adventure plot. And like the last one, the quest plot, the adventure plot's rather similar, but there are some main differences. Unlike the quest plot, the adventure plot is more based on the journey itself instead of the character. Quest plot was more of a character-based story. It really has a lot to do with how the character develops and matures during the actual quest. In the adventure plot, it's all based on journey. That's why you want to make sure that your story takes your character on to wonderful and strange places, meeting interesting characters. That's usually the basis for the adventure plot. The other thing to consider is that in the adventure plot, your character is usually going in search of some form of treasure, something that's not found at home. So it's usually something, it could be, some magical crystal skull in a faraway land or something, right? So it's something that motivates your character to go on this journey. Just like the quest plot, you want to have an inciting incident in your first act that that gets your character to want to partake in this journey. And another thing about the adventure plot is you want to include some form of romance intertwined with the actual adventure. Romance seems to be a very popular element of the adventure plot, so definitely you want to work that through. And again, as I mentioned, in your adventure plot, it's not very important that your character changes at the end. So unlike the quest plot, where the final quest, search for something isn't as important as to how the character developed throughout that quest. So adventure plot, very journey, very events oriented, and the quest plot's more character oriented. Hope that helps, and next time we're going to look at the pursuit plot. I hope you'll join me. Thanks.